Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching you fall. You really know how.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back with another video, yes sir, today. We got an in-hand review on our own feet of the Nike Dunk High Australian. They post releasing on the Nike app, you know what I'm saying, the Nike app, not the sneakers app, the Nike app, so, or Nike.com. So if you got the Nike app or Nike.com, I'll see the link down below. They're releasing on August 27th. Just got them early, you know what I'm saying? It's not like an early release, early look. It's got these from corporate, from Cincinnati. If you're from Cincinnati, I should say. Hell to corporate, you know what I'm saying? Got these joints that was just sitting there. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do a review on these joints, man. So I asked for 11, no 11. 11 and a half, no 11 and a half. Asked for 12, they didn't have it. For 13, they had it. So I was like, all right, bet. You know what I'm saying? Even though I don't wear 13, but I was like, you know what? I'll do an on feet and an in-hand review for my, you know what I'm saying, for my subscribers. Oh, you know what? Y'all not even my subscribers, bro. Y'all my family. So let me go ahead and do an on feet in review for my family. Plus, I could sell the shoe too as well. So win-win-win situation, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, we got an in-hand review and an on feet of the Nike Dunk High Australia. Comment down below, man, if you like these joints or, you know what I'm saying, you're gonna pass on them. It's not a bad shoe, in my personal opinion, but they made the shoe into a low. You know what I'm saying, for sure. Cause a lot of people don't like highs. Certain highs I would get, certain colorways I would get in the high, but this colorway I'm like, nah, not for real. But if it was a low, oh yeah, for sure, I get it, most definitely. But like I said, like and subscribe if you're new. Not further ado, man, let's get into the video. Tell me to get into the video. This shoe will be releasing on Nike.com or Nike app. The link will be down below. Shoot you straight over there on August 27th. Well, you know what I'm saying, from this shoe releasing on the Nike app. You know what I'm saying? So, not the sneakers app. I'm gonna keep saying that. Not the sneakers app. Nike.com or AKA the Nike app. So, in case y'all don't know the difference, just let y'all know, man. But retail price on these will be $115. The prices is going down right now on GOAT StockX. So, if you're looking to get the shoe, I would greatly tell you to be patient in case if you win on Nike app. But if you do win, hey, you good. You ain't got to pay resale value on the joints. But right now, I think I got a biggest size. I got a 13. So I think a 13 right now I'm going for, after taxes, would be like 2 something. So like I said, retail price is $115. So my best advice to tell you to be patient. Wait till August 27th. August 27th is on Saturday. So be patient. Wait till, you know what I'm saying, 2 weekends away right now. So just be patient. But like I said, I got an early look at these joints. I did try them on, not a bad colorway at all. Like I said, if it was a low, hey, we'd be good to go, but it's not that bad overall. Reason why they call them Australia, because it got green, got little tabs of yellow on there. In case you don't know the Australia flag, it has green and yellow in the flag. In case y'all didn't know, in case a lot of people don't know that, or people don't play FIFA. I don't play FIFA, but I just know, you know what I'm saying, I love green and yellow. Or you got Oakland A's hats, you know what I'm saying, stuff like that. But this shoe, I would definitely versatile this shoe. I'll do my thing with this shoe. In case y'all don't follow me on Instagram, man, follow me on my Instagram page down below, man. I'll be throwing it on. I'll be throwing my thing with the fits, you know what I'm saying? So in case you don't know, like your boy, yeah, I'll be throwing it on for sure. I does my thing, man. So make sure you follow my personal page and all my pages down below. And all my Twitter and all the TikTok stuff, you know what I'm saying? Follow that too, by the way. But did a little too much talking, man. Let's go get the shoe out, man. Oh, snap. So it's a 13, it's a big boy box right here. So all Nike Dunks, you know what I'm saying? If it's not like no Union Dunk or anything like a collab, most of the time it will be in this Nike box right here. In case it's some type of collab or some type of specialty going on with the Nike Dunk, it will be in this white and red Nike box here. You know what I'm saying? So I got a 13, like I said. Boom. And it says Nike Dunk High Retro, Noble Green White, size 13. Retail price was $115, by the way. Taxes was about $121 or something like that. So nothing too bad, nothing too crazy. Let's go get these bad boys out, man. Bang. Here they go, man. The Nike Dunk High Australia joints, man. Who do you think that I am? The ball in my court, so I cram on fire like NBA Jam. I don't think that you understand. Somebody come get they mans. You stumble and fumble your lines, man. I think it's wise if you sit in the stands. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad, I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Super clean colorway. I do love green, by the way. Like I said, if this was a low, I would definitely grab these. Most definitely. I do love green though. Green is one of my favorite colors, green and blue. One of my favorite colors for sure, man. So they'll shoot out. There they go, man. A Nike Dunk High Australia. Like I said, I wish I had a little more tab of yellow on here. They only got tab on the back of the heel and on the tongue that says stitched in Nike here. So stitched in Nike. So wish I had a little more yellow in this, but it's all good. It's all good. But let's go and talk about the shoe, man. So on your outsole here, you got your Noble Green. The whole outsole is Noble Green. Right here on the midsole, you got your white midsole. Go along on the side panel, you got your Noble Green Nike swoosh. Go along the toe box here, you got your Noble Green around the toe box here. And also on the toe box, you got your white toe box. You got your standardized, you know what I'm saying, Nike leather on the dunks, nothing too crazy. Also on the back of the heel, like I said, you got your little yellow tab on the back of the heel. Also got your hints of your Noble Green on the back of the heel as well. Come with your white laces. Like I said, on the tongue here, you got your yellow Nike stitched in. Also on the inside, got your yellow, you know what I'm saying, say Nike inside of the sock. And also got your Noble Green around the sock liner as well. So nothing too crazy on the Nike Dunks. Normally Nike Dunks is pretty straightforward as well, like I always say. It just sometimes the material be different, but most of the time it'll be the same material on the, you know what I'm saying, the leather material that be on Nike Dunks. So I always say standardized, you know what I'm saying, like Nike leather or Nike Dunk leather, because most of the time, like I said, it always had this exact same leather quality on these Nike Dunks. Not bad quality at all. They will crease easily, but I don't mind creasing my shoes at all. I know some people don't like creasing their shoes. But with this leather material, I know I always tell people, break them in, because when you first put Nike Dunks on, they be super stiff. You gotta break them in, wear them a couple times. If you don't, they're gonna be super stiff. And then you know how it goes. You get uncomfortable and stuff like that. But we normally break in Nike Dunk stuff like that, you'd be good to go. Like my Pandas, I already broke them in for sure. I'll be wearing them sometime. But there's no wrong wearing, like, saying certain shoes repeatedly, because people are like, I don't like wearing the same shoes. Man, so what? You know, I got shoes in my collection, but shoot, Pandas go with everything. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, got a size 13. Like I said, here go the Nike Dunk High Australia joints, man. Like I said, comment down below, man. Let me know if you're gonna pick up a pair on Nike.com, or you're gonna pass on it. You're gonna like, I'm cool, I'm straight. So I understand though, because a Dunk High is not really big on people when it comes to Nike Dunks. A lot of people like the lows better, which, like I said, Nike Dunk Highs are not bad. I just think this on the low would have been way better for sure, man. So these remind me of like the Michigan State ones a little bit, but this green is like more like a light green. It's not like a dark green, if that makes sense to y'all. Got little tabs of yellow on there as well too. So actually, this green actually might be this green is actually the same as the Michigan State was. My fault. It doesn't look a little lighter on camera, but we see them in person, look a little darker. So I will say these then are kind of basically like the Michigan State, the lows. So, and I think this shoe right now, it might go up, it might not. You never know. You know what I'm saying? So, but let's get this on feet going, man. Like and subscribe, share if you're new. Let's get this on feet going, man. Let's get it.
Position, we playing our part. We handle the mission, we need the commission. Don't need your permission, been good from the start. So fuck your opinion, we built for conditions. We thought in positions, we running the charts. Never thought I would see
Yes, sir. I'm back from my own feet. And I ain't gonna lie to you. Not gonna sit here and lie to y'all. You know I said I don't like these joints, but I ain't gonna lie. Put them on feet, you know what I'm saying? Not bad at all. It's just a size 13. Looks super big on my feet. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna keep looking around, see if I find these for retail in a size 11. Actually, no, I'm gonna try on Nike.com on the 27th to get my personal size. Because I ain't gonna lie, I do like these joints. But I would normally wear my Nike Dunks just like this. And the highs, like I said, I don't mind wearing the highs certain colorways, but I just love the color green And I don't have any green type of shoes in my collection. And I'm an Eagles fan too, by the way, in case y'all Cowboys fans out there. Ha ha, or Giants fans, aha. Redskin fans, aha. No, so I'm an Eagles fan, you know what I'm saying? So I will definitely get my hands on these, man. So hopefully I will win a pair of these on the 27th. That was like 2 weekends away from now. It's on a Saturday. The retail price is $115. But I know people like to do these with the laces actually tie their dunks, which is not bad at all. But me personally, I just like to wear my Nike dunks like this. So comment down below, man. Let me know if you wear your dunks like this or you tie them up like that. Either ways work perfectly fine with real preference on how you wear your shoes or nothing like that. Judge free zone over here, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't judge nobody how they wear their shoes, their fashion. As long as it make you feel happy and comfortable, hey, we good to go, you know what I'm saying? So, like I said, retail price on these is $115. August 27th on Nike.com. I will put the link down below. It will send you straight there, so be ready. Set your alarm on there, you know what I'm saying, on the Nike.com or Nike app, you know what I'm saying? So, because I definitely will, because I want these now, man. So, because at first I was iffy, but that's one thing about me. When I put a shoe on, my mind be changing sometimes. I'm like, what? Okay, not bad at all, not bad at all. Got little tabs of yellow on there, so I'll wear like an Eagles jersey or an Oakland A's, you know what I'm saying, fitted. Or I could just do an Oakland A's jersey or Michigan State jersey, or, you know what I'm saying? You can be very versatile with this shoe. I just like Nike Dunks overall, you know what I'm saying? But the size run, Nike Dunks, I always tell people go true to size or go a whole size up. I would never tell people in Nike Dunks go a half size down. Never. Never go a half size down in any Nike Dunks, ever. They run true to size, or I'll tell people go a half size up. Me personally, I guess I could do 11 and a half in Nike Dunks. I got a size 12 in Nike Dunks, and to be honest, they fit me perfectly fine, for real, for all honesty. It just sometimes it flop up a little bit, just a little tab. Just me being honest with y'all. So like I said, my true size in any shoe would be 11 and a half, but size 12, it's not that bad at all. Just little too much room in it. But I ain't had no choice but to keep the shoe because I really wanted that Nike Dunk. And the price on those is super high. And by the way, I'm talking about the Georgetown. Those are fire. A lot of people said they should have kept them. I'm glad I kept my pair because those are fire for sure. So to give y'all a heads up on the size run. But that's it for this video, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing love support as always, man. Make sure you follow me on all platforms down below. My Instagram, my TikTok, my Twitter. All that down below. I greatly appreciate it, man. Catch you on another video, man. J1 is out. Peace.